Today's enterprise data centers demand more than uptime. They require precise environmental control, operational flexibility, and infrastructure that can adapt as your facility evolves. Akon data center curtain systems help organizations reduce dust migration, improve temperature separation, and create dedicated ESD-controlled work zones without the cost and disruption of permanent construction. Choose insulated curtain walls to minimize thermal exchange, anti-static materials to support sensitive electronics, and strip curtains that maintain accessibility while reducing uncontrolled airflow. Because our systems install quickly and can be reconfigured as your operation grows, you gain a scalable solution that works with your existing facility instead of against it. The result is greater operational efficiency, better protection for critical IT assets, and a more controlled environment for your team. Partner with Akon to design a custom data center curtain solution built for your enterprise.